Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at ax plus by plus c equals 0. Now the way I'm going to resolve this question is by using a different form of the straight line, which is y equal to mx plus c. Now m here is the gradient. So this tells us what the slope of the line is. C is the constant. But more importantly, it's the y-intercept. So why is this helpful? Well, this is telling me right here the y-intercept is minus 5/3. So what I'm hoping for is that I get to the end of rearranging this equation and I will see actually what is it that b is equal to. So let's get started. Ax minus 3y plus b equal to 0. I'm going to move the y to the other side. And I'm going to divide both sides by 3 to get y by itself. Now, another way I can do this, because I'm adding along the top, is I can split it up. So a over 3x plus b over 3. And if it's the case that c is equal to minus 5/3, and currently it's equal to b over 3, well, it must be the case that this value here, well, these values are the same, because the denominators are the same. So b is equal to minus 5. Now this next question's a little bit complicated, but we're going to take it step by step. So we're going to do what we did last time and transform the equation, both equations, into the form y equal to mx plus c. And this allows us to isolate plus c. So crosses the y-axis at p, crosses the y-axis at q, which is going to help us answer this question here. So let's label this equation equation 1 and this equation 2. Let's start with 1. Now the first thing I want to do is rearrange it so that y is on one side and x and the other number on the other side. Now because I've got a negative 3y on the left hand side, I'm going to move it to the right. I'm also going to move that minus 15 to the other side by adding 15, and then I add 3y. I'm going to divide both sides by 3, which gives me y equal to 5/3x plus 15/3, which gives me 5/3x plus 5. And if this equation crosses the y-axis at p, then p is equal to c, which is equal to 5. Alright, we can see that there. Okay, now I just need the other half of this equation. Let's look at number 2. 7y minus 3x plus 14 equal to 0. Well, I'm going to move both of the 3x and the 14 terms to the right hand side. Dividing both sides by 7, giving me 3/7x minus 14/7, which simplifies to this right here. And again, q is equal to c, which is equal to minus 2. Right? This value here is c. So then I have this situation with P and Q, and I'm looking for, well, what is P minus Q? Well, that's equal to 5 minus 2. That becomes 7.